Got a shot there, shot there. You got 3 in the front. Man, they tried to shoot at the driver and the passenger side. 2 shots. It's lit. And the only reason I'm looking at this today is for your boy, LS Riviera 254. Got you at 87 Olds Cutlass. But as you can see, the back glass got taken out, shall we say. Because if you see in the front, your boy got shot up. I would say at least 9mm. Got 4 shots in the front. I don't see any bullets in the body. So I don't know if those bullets came from the front through the back. That's what I'm guessing. But yeah, I came to check this out because I know he's missing some door pieces. So I just got to make sure it match and see what else he need. I think he was missing some trim in the front. That one's gone. Yeah, 2 front pieces are gone, but that piece is there. I see him texting me now. Looks like it has a new exhaust on there. Both panels are pretty decent. Just missing this top piece. Let me yank these tires out. These tires are brand new. This thing had a system in it. But like I said, I don't know if anyone died in this thing. But it's pretty much complete. Just got here. Just missing those 2 front pieces, but everything else is here. So if you got a Gbody, you might want to check this out. Yeah, the hood got bullet holes too. Or at least ricocheted off it. If I had a Gbody, I'd definitely be taking parts off this. But I'm gonna see what LS Chevy Rider want me to do. Chevy Rider. The door panels are different. But as you can see, got a shot there, shot there. You got 3 in the front. Man, they tried to shoot at the driver and the passenger side. 2 shots. That's like a headshot right there. I mean, besides getting shot at, the only thing wrong is the hood, windshield, and back glass. I ain't seen any bullets in the seats. Body's good, got new tires on it. Oh, I got a dent right there. I mean, besides that, I got it's not bad at all, actually. You can tell it has some nice rims on here. But anyway, the look like they took the Caprice. The Caprice is gone. Now you got a Gbody. And I'm gonna see what else is out here. I'm pretty sure Atlas is in the wrong state. So they got a Gbody. Right here's a 90 Buick Riviera. Look about the interior. The rim just fell. Door pounds ain't too bad. They got to the cluster. I didn't even know that was on these. Power seats. I mean, the seat's a little warm, but it ain't too bad. This thing been sitting somewhere a long time. Just trying to see if it also has a rim on that one. Trying to see if they have that key for the little wheels. Same 3800. And we actually got two Rivies in here. Got another 90. Taillight's good. I think I checked this last week, but I'm gonna show you guys. Has leather too. Yeah, I actually checked this one out when I grabbed that roof last week. It's not bad. Anyway, this is just for LS Riviera 254. He said they don't get Rivieras. We get them all the time. I got 2 in 1 yard. As always, remember to like, comment, definitely subscribe, share if you want. Peace.